Christian Community Ministries runs 16 schools nationally around Australia and 7 early learning centres. Today we're on the campus of Groves Christian College, which is CCM's largest school and our founding school. We have a lot of challenges that we face around compliance, privacy, security. On the hardware front, we face challenges around procurement and supply, around servicing and maintenance, around cost controls, and in particular we face challenges around configuration and management of a large fleet across our schools. The maintainability of a device is critical for us. If a device is not in service, it's doing nobody any good and it's just a drain on our finance. So for us, being able to keep the device in service, to be able to identify and rectify any problems and have them resolved by the technicians quickly and easily with a minimum of cost to us in our labour is absolutely critical to our success in our schooling.
The design choices that ASUS makes in terms of making their devices fast, easy to service, are removable screws which are actually captive. We also have modular designs. We've also found that our devices are independently verified to be quite high on the repairability index, which is quite important for our education customers.
ASUS support's been very responsive. If I send an email off to say that we've got an issue, I'll get a response normally within the hour.
It means we can get the devices back in the kids' hands quicker and we have less back and forth. So the IT overhead is also reduced because we don't have to have a lot of complexity in that process.
The big issue that we faced that ASUS has been able to help us solve has been around our warranty. Our cover and our experience with that with other suppliers was not always excellent. ASUS have been outstanding in that area.
One of the unique parts of our repair service offering is that it's not an insurance product. There's no excess and no limit to the amount of claims. So from the school's perspective, ASUS repair service reduces the overheads on the IT departments managing out of warranty claims.
We always look at the total cost of ownership when we're evaluating devices. The initial purchase price of the machine is only a part of that. It's very easy for labour costs in servicing the machines, in maintaining the machines, in procuring and provisioning the machines to swallow up any saving that you make on the initial hardware cost. We've been very pleased that with ASUS we've both been able to secure the lowest hardware cost, but also a good experience in all of the rest of those fields to make them the lowest total cost of ownership devices that we've ever used. Computer Alliance are the main company that we deal with when we're looking to procure the devices.
We support schools across Australia, so whether a school is in a metro or regional area, the experience stays consistent. We've worked with ASUS since our inception, and that long-standing relationship gives schools confidence, the same expectations, the same support, the same outcomes.
They help with the supply, the pricing, ordering. They help with the delivery, the servicing. They help with the provisioning of the devices. They smooth the way at every stage to make sure that we can get the devices that we need, when we need them, at the price we need them, and get them into service quickly.
The thing that matters most when deploying devices across the entire school is definitely consistency.
From a national capability perspective, that consistency really matters. Schools want to know they'll receive the same level of service, the same warranty coverage, and the same support experience across their organisation. That means lower risk and predictable costs and fewer surprises for IT teams.
ASUS and Computer Alliance have delivered us the confidence that we need to be able to know that the choices we make now will hold up for years to come.